The precise objective of schooling is to get the youngsters square to a salutary stance to square up to life. This is the end product that the entire gamut of schooling and all higher education visualizes. This short video exemplifies this.
May we come in, sir?
Come in.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down, Roshni. Sit down, Mr. Ramesh.
Thank you.
Well, Roshni, you have told me already that you have a team of students and you want to bring them and introduce them to me. Probably, what for you brought them here?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Actually, there was a competition arranged by DPS Gopal School from Ahmedabad, and the competition is about the IT Code Warriors. In that, there were 3 events were there. First one was a logo making competition. In that, student has to make a logo. For the 2 topics were given, like online education and the support code warriors. Next event was about to make a app logo. App made the app, that is App Guru, and they have to create a application that can work on the mobile. And the third event was the coding event, they have to develop a software.
Right.
So in that, our students of class 9 secured the second position in App Guru.
Very good. So these are the students who have
Yes.
taken part in the competition organized by DPS Open. Ramesh Sharma ji, it's very encouraging to hear that our students have taken part
Nice.
and they have done well also.
Nice.
They have won a position also.
Yes.
It's quite interesting and it's good, Roshni, you brought them here for an interaction with me. Okay, let's start with the students. Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, respected principal sir, other teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Param. I am in class 9B and I belong to Gurma.
Good morning, respected principal sir, learned teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Jill Gandhi. I study in class 9B and I belong to Namrata House.
Very good. I understand that 2 of you took part in the app making section of the competition, right?
Yes sir.
Acha. What's an app?
Sir, an application is something that makes our daily work easier. It helps us in making our daily work easier.
Easy. I mean, there are different. In fact, these days we have, if it is a pawn shop, that also has got an app. So an app is a means of getting to know about the different details of a specific organization, how to apply, how to take information from that. It all helps. And then this app, what is the app you made?
So we made an app for the small children which in these hard times of COVID-19 cannot study properly. So we made an app consisting of ABCD, fruit names, animal voices, and also a game which they could play.
Which means an app probably intended for the contemporary times. The students cannot go to school; they will have to learn online. Did you have any reason why you chose to make a app for education of the pre-primary children?
Sir, because we ourselves were experiencing it and we also used to face many problems. We also are facing many problems in our daily life, so we made it.
That means a personal experience of yours that made you to think in terms of doing an education app meant for pre-primary children. Did the organizers give you any choice?
So there were 4 topics: the global, economic, social, and educational.
Nice. Congratulations. I heard that you won the second position in the competition and credit goes to you. Roshni, you really deserve an appreciation for that, for motivating the students and getting them to take part in the competition. Acha, this second group, these two girls, can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, respected principal sir, my teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shreya Panchal. I am studying in class 8B and I belong to Ganga House.
Good morning, respected principals and learning teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kavya Patel. I study in class 8B and I belong to Kaveri House.
Acha. Kavya, I think you people were individual effort, right? It's
Yes.
not a team effort. Each one of you made your own effort, right? What did you do, this girl?
So I made a logo on app online education app. There were two topics. Given online education app and support COVID-19. I made a logo on online education app and I made the logo like the lab. It is all about the learning app and I made like a laptop and students are studying on the laptop. There students like standing and reading the books.
Very good. Very good. Right. What was the app you made?
Sir, I made a logo on topic online education app and there were two topics given support COVID warriors and online education app. I choose as online education app. Sir, in that there was a main logo of a book and of a video and then there were many circles and there are also many logos but there like earths or like yes sir globe and notebooks and all that.
Normally, an app explains a theme, right? When you make an app, you explain a theme, right? Now, what is the theme that your app explains? For example, I'll give you an example. You know, we have our logos for our houses, am I right?
Yes.
We have different logos, and you know, this is the logo of which house?
Yes,
This is the logo of which house?
the Kaveri House.
Kaveri House. So, what's the connection between this logo and the motto of Kaveri House? Is there any connection?
Yes, sir.
What's the connection?
The logo is telling that the story about the lion and the rabbit. The rabbit is the lion is the king of the jungle and the rabbit is the rabbit has
Anyone else from Kaveri House? Yes, Rohan, you are from Kaveri House. Can you explain the logo, the relationship between the logo and the motto of the house?
Yes, sir. Look, this logo is the picture which is taken in this logo is from a very good and well-known tale of a lion and a rabbit. Actually, in this story, the lion is a king of the jungle and he, for some reason, he instantly attacks many animals. So animals go and meet the lion and ask him and tell him that we would come individually one after one to you for your
Which means the lion is very mighty, very strong. We call the king of the jungle, but he was troubling other people. And you have a rabbit, which was able to
trick the
lion
itself.
into killing himself. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That means the rabbit was able to do this task. How was the rabbit able to do this task?
Because he had the ability to.
That's it. Now, what's the motto of the house?
Ability is strength.
Is so that means the logo. If we make a logo, by the logo we want to communicate a message. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that is your logo. Your purpose of your logo was to explain the importance, efficacy of online classroom teaching. Am I right?
Yes,
Acha, your logo. How will you explain your logo?
Sir, in my logo we can see that not only in school but we can also study online also.
That means by your logo you say the studies can take place by a combined process of attending physically classroom as well as online. Am I right?
Yes.
That's what you meant when you have a book and when you have got a telephone and you have got other logos, which means you are explaining the fact education can be achieved by not only attending physically classroom teaching, but also online teaching that you can get. Am I right?
Yes.
Very good. All the best. Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, respected principal sir, learning teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Bansri Tamboli, studying in class 12A and belong to Narmada House.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, learning teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Rohan Agarkar. I study in class 11B and I belong to Kaveri House.
Well, Rohan and Bansri, I understand you took part in the IT competition and that you took to developing some software, right?
Yes, sir.
What was the software that you developed, Bansri?
Sir, we used Pygam software to develop password manager program in which it stores a one password. It used to manage our password and password at once.
Rohan, can you explain it little detail? That the password manager, by the password manager, what do you mean by that?
Sir, now in today's world, in each and everything or each and every site whichever we want to go and surf, we need to give our login ID or password. So keeping each and every password in our remembering in our mind is not at all easy. Why not to make a password manager which would save our passwords and we would have to remember only one password to access or retain all our other passwords, which would help us in remembering the other password and keep our password safe also.
But today morning, my Jio connectivity at home, that Wi-Fi connectivity, it was not working in my phone. I said I wanted to know how to set it right. Then the fellow, I called him up. He said, sir, you do one thing, you re-enter your username and password. Then I told him that is what I do not know. Password I do not know. So I understand your point. It's very good idea. That is, for anything, for any gadget or any use, we are requiring username and password. And what was your contribution in this project, Bansri?
Sir, in this program we use two modules, that is OS system and GetPass. The OS system interconnects the software and the operating system on which the program is running.
Roman, I understand you seem to be the senior participant in this because your understanding of IT seems to be better. What was your contribution, Roman?
Sir, actually my contribution was in the control flow of our program and decision making of our program where to do what. So, and I also contributed in the error fixations where errors are being.
That's a very essential point. After making it, you should see finally set it and set right it. It must have taken quite some time for you.
Yes, sir. It took me a whole night.
So you didn't sleep that night?
No, sir.
Very good. Very excellent. Ramesh, it's quite encouraging to see that our students are taking part, showing interest in taking part in the inter-school competitions, especially in the IT level.
Right, sir.
And this Rohan, as a swimmer, I know him, and now he is gradually emerging into an IT guy, an IT guy. And this open school, which they organized, Rashmi?
DPS Bhopal.
DPS Opal. I thought originally it was Bhopal.
It's in Ahmedabad.
It's an Ahmedabad, local school. I think we should encourage these children. What we will do, we will make a recording of their work in the Zoom platform and try to put it up in the web portal. And we must place on record our sincere appreciation for Madam Roshni Shah, who seem to have put in all her effort in trying to motivate them. And finally, tell me, you took part in this competition because Madam told you, or because you yourself wanted to take part?
I myself wanted to take part.
I wanted to take.
You also wanted to take part. And you?
And I also wanted to take part.
I also want to take part.
You too?
Yes, we all.
So why did you want to take part in a competition like this? Because it is not part of your classroom teaching. It is not going to come in your whatever you do now. It is not going to be a part of your examination. You are not going to get any kind of mark in the examination. Let's be very clear. So why did you still want to take part in it? Yes, Rohan, tell me. Why do you want to take part in it?
Sir, I took part in this because my main goal is in IT sector only. So, as much as I am open to the outer world, so I will know how outer world thinks of a particular way. because I am in some of the groups in which they are completely based on Python only. So we discuss there, we solve our errors and all of that stuff goes on. But there I get to know that each and every person thinks of a particular point with a different perspective. There is solving for an solution for an error from each person is different.
It was more like a mouse race for you to prepare for the rat race of learning. Am I right? You took part in this event because that is the way you get presented for problem solving ahead of your life. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You are not simply satisfied with only reading the book, memorizing the answer, because that is not education. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You agree?
Yes.
Memorizing the questions and answers and reproducing the examination and getting 95% is not at all education. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Huh? So which means you should be developing your problem solving ability. You should be developing your problem solving ability. That was the main purpose of our school, especially all these 7 years I've been here.
Purpose of education is.
Yes. The purpose of education is only to equip you to face life. Am I right? And taking part in competition like this is a wonderful, wonderful means by which you shape your life. God bless you. All the best. I'm really proud of you that you people ventured outside the school and took part in the competition and gave it up. And I understand you want to become a gynecologist.
Yes, sir.
What is your ambition in life?
Sir, I want to become an Afghan doctor, that is obstetrician plus gynecologist.
What is it? Can you explain? This looks very
Yes,
Greek
sir.
and Latin for me.
Sir, yeah, the obstetrician and gynecologist, the term consists a very thin line of difference.
Mhm.
In obstetrician, the doctors delivers the baby at the time of parturition, and in gynecologist, doctor learns the reproductive system of female and of course a physical
Prenatal and postnatal care.
right?
So combination of prenatal and postnatal care. Wonderful, wonderful, great, great. I understand you want to become a software engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
What does a software engineer do?
Sir, a software engineer designs software. For example, if we have a computer, we have got a computer. When the computer is made, it is not just simple. It's simple that it will work. It has to be given a set of instructions, and that set of instructions is known as a software.
It's not like buying a two-wheeler. If you buy a two-wheeler from the market, when you bring it home, you can straight away sit on it and ride it. But you buy a computer, 7th generation latest computer, and when you bring it home, it can work only when you give it a standard set of instructions.
Yes.
That's called a software, right?
Yes.
A linear programming. For anything, you can write a software for serving tea. Suppose guests come to your home. Can you write a software for it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. And you also want to become a software engineer?
So I have to do IT.
IT. What is the difference between IT stuff and software stuff?
So IT engineer, there is only a bit of difference. The IT engineer also has much more to do in the software development, but he helps in software development. He has many other tasks.
Achha, software IT engineer does software also, but has got over and above that.
Yes.
Rohan, you seem to be a guy, an IT guy. Can you throw a little more light on the difference between an IT guy and a software guy?
Yes, sir. Sir, IT engineering is a portion in which IT engineering is basically a broader name or broader name for software engineering, because IT engineering consists of software engineering with hardware engineering, also error fixations and other stuffs.
A bit of a smack of hardware engineering is also part of IT.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. All the best, and all this work, I take it that you are taking part in all these competitions. That's what there is a proverb in Tamil. It says, you dance in the room before you dance on the stage. So, you are getting equipped to face life. Whatever be your way of life, because we all of us have got our own ambition. But finally, when we say life is like that, we plan something, man proposes and God disposes. So whatever it be. But the purpose of this schooling in Prince Ashokaraja Gaikwad School and the way of negotiating you towards all these activities is to shape you, to make you to take the right angle. Like a cricket batsman, what does a cricket batsman do? the ball comes, the stance that he takes, depending upon the quality of the ball, that decides, you know what's the stance? Stance is the position, the spread between the leg. If he is going to hit a ball for a cut a ball for a 6, then he has to do like that. Right? The stance, S-T-A-N-C-E, stance is the position that you take to face a condition. And this is the positioning of you. Yes, Roshni, I think you've done a guru's job. I would only say there is a difference between a guru and teacher. Rashmi Sharmaji?
Yes, sir.
We normally make a difference between a guru and a teacher. Right? A teacher is one who prepares the students for facing the examination. And a guru is one who prepares the students to face the exam.
Yes.
Right? A teacher will help you to solve the problem. But a guru will help you to find out the ways and means of arriving at the root of the problem and solving it. So, Roshni has given, has shown indication that she is working as a guru and not as a teacher. Congratulations, may God bless you.
Thank you.
Keep it up. All the best, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.